Hi, 2000 Deals here. Today is August 1st, 2018. I'm giving a brief demonstration on the running of a Bell & Howell 1574 16mm sound projector. The projector is in good shape, got the normal wear and tear from being used, some paint chips, but it's clean and appears to run fairly well. This is a brief demonstration showing it does run, will project, the sound does work, but again, the projector will probably need some service, oil, grease, whatever. I am not set up to do that kind of stuff. So let's turn it on and see how it goes.
This was 400 million years ago, when the cephalopod, extinct relative of the Greenberg nautilus, was the largest creature in the world. One of these fish is now a fossil in the ceiling at Cave of the Mountain. When prehistoric seas left what is now Wisconsin, the rocks became dry land. Sinking caused long cracks in some of the rocks, similar to those in unjointed drying concrete. Groundwater seeping through the rocks encountered a contact layer that formed the safe loop. Eventually, the gravity melted into the crack, allowing the groundwater to come into contact with the fractured stone below. We call that fact the lifeline of the cave. Through hundreds of thousands of years, groundwater dissolved out the fractured stone to make the cave. Fitted walls show that excavating the cave from solid rock was the work of creation, the most important part of groundwater. Although in some cities, subterranean streams flow rapidly inside the wall. As the cave is deepened, the groundwater dissolves through the heavy passages in the rock. During thousands of years, rivers cut their beds deeper and lower the groundwater level of their drainage area. Cavities in the rock are then filled with ground air. Nature the excavator is replaced by nature the interior decorator, who begins to fill the cavity with minerals dissolved from the rocks above. Drops of this solution enter the field for hours, evaporate the rivers, and leave a tiny film of crystal limestone. As the drops are filled, at the rate of millions and billions of years, the rock type will break down.
There you go, a brief 4-minute demonstration of the projector running both forward and reverse and with the sound. Thank you.